From the Philippines, Prince Albert Pagara.
Sa videong ito, panoorin natin ang 5 brutal na first round knockout win ni Albert Pagara. At ang isa pa dito ay para sa bakanting IBF na titulo.
He's been working really hard, both physically, mentally, with his coaches. Got good sparring for this fight. Sana makabalik siya, no? I would love for Prince Albert to become world champion.
Yung pagkabit, they need mental toughening, hindi lang
Kailangan
physical.
talaga, yes.
Remember si Mike Tyson, napakaliit lang ng boksingero pag piting.
Round. Ako, I really believe talagang kailangan ng atleta ang
Big right hand! Big right hand!
Ako! Mukhang maaga. Nasaktan itong Tagagana.
Sinago lang siya sa
Tingnan natin
right
kung
hand.
makarecover ang
Oh,
Tagagana.
big right hand!
Another!
Big right hand! Na makakalaban yung Cesar Juarez in July 2016.
Kaya nga
Kaya
devastating
mabigat
yun
eh. Oh, mabigat talaga.
Ayun!
Eto na!
Oh,
Oh, big right hand!
Big
Big right hand! Woo! Big combination. May sitok pa sa bodega.
4, 5.
And oh boy,
Tagagana.
he's not gonna get up. Hinihintay niya, oh.
Oh, he's saying, signaling na parang ayaw na.
Ayun
It's over!
10 count. KO1.
It's over! Hindi pa rin nakakabangon si Crampa.
Tignan natin kung paano na-set up ni Albert Pagara yung finishing blows dito sa laban na to.
Well, it was relatively easy, no? Kasi halos hindi gumagalaw itong si Rios, eh. Hindi sumusuntok. Dahil ngayon, nakita mo, papyaw lamang ang suntok.
Dito pa lang nayanig na si Rios na paatras. At ito yung pagkakamali ni Rios. Masyado siyang umopen up. Nandun yung counter ni Prince Albert.
Mabalik sa depensa. Eh, sobrang bilis itong Albert kumounter, kaya huling-huli. Look at the patience of this boy Pagara. And wala suntok. Wow.
Mabigat din yung jab nitong si Albert.
Rio, so alam ni Pagara, hindi ako kaya sakpan ito. Oh, yan, nakita niya. Oh.
Nakita niya yung butas sa depensa ni Jesus Rios. Nagpakawala ng left hook.
In getting up. At dito, buhos na.
Feeling niya, kayang-kaya niya. Wala nang resistance mula kay Jesus Rios. Prince Albert Pagara.
And I never saw Rios land a significant punch kay Prince Albert Pagara. At eto na, round number 1 po tayo. Ito'y 120
22 pounds, mga junior featherweights or super bantamweights. Junior in the black, red, and brown trunks. Very unorthodox ang style nitong si Isaac Jr. He has his own version of the Floyd Mayweather shoulder roll. He has prepared well for this fight. Pero eto na, a heavy bombardment from Prince Albert Pagara. Share of world champions back in the 1980s. Elias Pical was also a champion, super flyweight. David Thomas, right? Yeah, below me. So, fully booked. Tayo. And Pagara trying to come up with an explosive ending. Dito pa lamang sa opening round. Almost went to Grand Ballroom ng Soler Resort and Casino.
Lalo na against the Southpaw. But, good left by, good counter by Pagara. He's down, here he's down.
Isaac Jr. And Isaac Jr. is down and out. Go boy!
Wow.
He was bombarded.
He elevated King
Oh.
Albert Pagara.
Prince Albert Pagara dito sa 122-pound division. At ayan po si Isaac Jr.
Touch gloves, go back to your club.
Ngayon, Ronnie, you were telling me, Albert Pagara nagpakawala agad ng kanan.
Yung overhand right ni Albert.
Nagpaparamdam na agad dito pa lang sa ating unang round.
Ano sinabi niya sa kagab?
Sa ball si Partida!
Maganda yung kanan niya. Maganda yung kaliwa niya. Yung, alam mo na, sabi ni kagabi, pagkatapos ng yung... down!
Bagsak siya agad! Si Hugo Partida sa palapit ng kanan.
Sinabi niya,
Ako naman, nakausap ko din itong si Albert Pagara. Sabi niya, may knockout to. Dito pa lang sa opening round, may knockdown na.
oh, beautiful right down.
The right hand.
He's going, it's over. 1, no, 2, 3, fight.
So, binilangan siya ni referee Bruce Montaves. So, that's the second knockdown.
Looks like another one was coming up, but Prince Albert has got to be calm, focused. He cannot take risks. Ano delikado yan. Just do your job. You hurt him again with the left.
Albert Pagara, hinahanap yung kanan.
Tapos na. Tapos na. Oh, boy.
First two knockdowns. His first title fight, and he is the new IBF Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Champion.
Sobrang galing itong bata. Partida never bargained for this when he went the headbutt, pagkatapos
Sa labang Albert Pagara kontra Chinese boxer na si Akitilieti Yilijan, sa tingin ninyo, kaya din ba ni Albert Pagara na tapusin ang laban sa loob lang ng first round?